Today I'm going to show you the best of both worlds. Long smoking a whole brisket and camping. If there's one common theme amongst all campers, whether you're camping in a tent, a pop-up, or a Class A RV, it is the menu. And what better way to camp than smoking a brisket on a Traeger smoker? As you can see, the smoker is attached to a swing arm off the back bumper. So wherever the camper goes, the smoker goes. It literally doesn't get any easier and more convenient than that. Remember, this is a pellet-fed smoker, so it's kind of like a set it and forget it. Not a smoker I'm used to, especially after my first custom-built one back in the 90s, but this thing is amazing. As you can see, we took the brisket and put it in a metal pan so that we could capture some of the au jus and let the bottom part, which is the exposed meat part, braise a little bit in that liquid. And then we have one of my favorites, our beef cap crumbles. This is the fat that we trimmed, and we render it down until it turns into what most people think is a beef jerky. We crumble it up and add it to our chopped brisket, and man, is it good. Next, we get out the Culina cleaver. This thing is freaking awesome. As you can see, the brisket is cutting like butter. It is melting. It is so delicious. And I'm focusing on this part right now because I just can't get enough of seeing this brisket kind of jiggle like jello and how beautiful it looks and how moist it is. And remember, this is a Walmart brisket, so it is choice at best, but most likely it is select. We also grilled up some fresh Jersey corn on the grill and made some Mexican street corn out of it. Did I happen to mention somebody brought a moose steak on the camping trip that was marinated in a maple bourbon moonshine for 4 days? And I'll tell you, I've never cooked a moose steak before. It was unbelievably tender, and if I served it to you, you would never, ever, ever guess it was a moose steak. The campers' bellies are full. The night is just about over. Wanted to thank you all for joining us and look forward to our next YouTube video.